Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at a system of inequalities, how to graph them, and how to find the solutions to those systems of inequalities. So here I have the notes for how to graph inequalities in general. Feel free to pause the video here and copy this down to make sure you know this, because I'll be referring back to this as I explain the problems. Alright, let's take a look at the first example. So in this first example here, we've got two functions here that's inequalities, and I'm gonna graph each one. And I'm gonna start with this one right here, and I'm gonna use red to refer to it. So it's gonna be -2, come down to -2, and then go up 1 and over 1, up 1 and over 1, up 1 and over 1. Okay, and then I'm going to draw my line. Now, because it's an inequality and it's an equal to, you draw a solid line. Okay, and remember, you can go back and refer to the notes to figure out what type of line you draw. That's a solid line. Now, it's greater than, so I shade above. So I'm going to kind of shade above. I'm not going to shade too hard, just shade above. So that's the solution for this inequality. The solid line and everything above it. Okay. Now we're going to do this other one. Okay, we're going to start at 2, which is way up here. And we're going to go down 1 and to the right 3. Okay, and we're going to draw that line. Now this line is a dashed line because it's not equal to. So you don't draw the line solid, you make dashes in the line. Like so. Okay, and it's also a greater than, so you shade above it. Okay, so both of them are graphed now. What you need to understand is that the solution is right in here, this area where they overlap, and then both of them. That's the solution. So on Delta Math, all you got to do is pick a point, any point within there, and that will take that. So if, let's say I want to pick this point right here, which is in the yellow part here, then that would be over 1, up 4. That would be 1, comma 4. So you just pick a point within that double region there, and that'll be your answer. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Alright, I'm going to start off with this one here. Alright, we'll go to 3. And it has a slope of -2 over 1. So I go down 2 to the right 1. Down 2 and to the right 1. Down 2 and to the right 1. And it's not equal to, so I'm going to draw a dashed line. And I'm going to shade above it, greater than, so I'm going to go this way. Alright, now I'm going to do the blue one here. I'm going to go to -1. I'm going to do the rise over run. It's a -2 over 3. So I'm going to go down 2 and to the right 3. I could also go up 2 and back 3. Alright, and that's also a not equal to. So you put a dashed line there, and it's also greater than, so I say it above. Alright, now where they overlap is the solution for that system for both of them. Where they overlap is where your answer should be, right in there. Okay, and Now all we have to do, especially for delta math, is pick a point within there. And that point would be, let's say I go over 3 and up 2. Oh, change this back to this. So go over 3 and up 2. Just any point. It doesn't matter which point you pick. You pick any point within that double shaded region, and it delta math will take it. So it'll be 3 over 3 and up 2. Make sure you pick your point with your x first and your y second. And that's it. That is how you do linear inequality systems graphically. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.